Hey everybody, welcome back to the Yellow Vet 04 YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now in previous videos, I did some lighting changes. If you're new, this is new to you, but if you've been following for a while, it's all a recap. I got new corner lights. And then I smoked, these were clear lenses, I smoked them afterwards. I have a video on how I did that. I replaced the side markers with just an LED bulb, and then I also used the same smoke tint on those. I replaced the third brake light with a smoke third brake light, and then just to break up some of the red, I recently just used that same smoke tint on all the tail lights, just to get rid of the bright redness. I didn't want to go too dark because I just feel like, you know, brake lights are there for a reason. And if you can't see me braking, you know, I don't want to give you any reason to make me at fault for you hitting me in the rear. So they're just smoked a little bit. Definitely not really dark, but just enough to kind of break up the bright red tail lights. All right, so I'm gonna jump in the car, I'm gonna put the brakes on, and we'll see what these look like during the day. It is a little overcast today. The weather has not been all that cooperative lately, so this is the best I can do. I just want to get the video out, show you guys this process. Now the film that I did get, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to this. I think it was like a 1 foot by 4 foot sheet. It was enough film to do both corner lights, both side markers, and all 4 brake lights, and there's still plenty left over for probably at least 1 or 2 more tail lights, you know, if you were to like mess up. So definitely enough film in that roll to do all those different lights, and then some if you wanted to do something else. So this is what the tail lights look like during the day. I'm standing, I don't know, maybe about 20 feet or so behind the car, so you know, I'm not too close to the car, but brake lights are clearly visible. Now this is where I also did some nighttime clips. I used a light meter that I got from work that we use for doing different lighting studies for sports fields and stuff. So I used that same lighting meter on these. I did a before I put the tint on, and then an after I put the tint on. You know, the light output does go down with the smoke tint on there, but I mean, you can see that's still pretty clear, and I'm definitely still happy with it. So let's cut to those nighttime clips. Here we are nighttime without the smoked lenses. I have my light meter here, calibrating 000. I'm gonna take the cap off. Alright, here we are. I'm at the back of my driveway, and we are reading pretty much 0.253, 0.254, anywhere in that range. The change. Alright, I'm making it like kind of more vertical to the car, which does impact its reading. So 0.331. Trying not to block it in any way. 0.333. So anywhere between 0.331 and 0.333. So then as I move closer to the car, it's going to change. I'm about 10 feet away from it now, and I'm at 1.01, 1.02 foot candles. And then as I pretty much come straight up next to the light, we're at 45.5-ish from the left headlight. For some reason, less at 36.5 there in front of that one. Let's see. This one's reading really high. I can't get a good picture on it, but it's around 70 foot candles in front of this light. And then this one, you can kind of see it there, it's right around 68. So we are going to smoke the taillights and see what we get. So here I am at the back of my driveway again. I'm going to try and replicate what I did the other night. Taillights are now tinted. As you can see, it's still pretty clear to see that I'm hitting the brakes. Here is the light meter. I don't know why this is not focused. There we go. turn it that way. But anyway, it's about 0.15. Right? Try to keep it vertical, so 0.148, 0.15, more or less. And as I get closer, that's going to change. I am again at about 10 feet. Now, of course, this is going to be really hard to do it exactly to where I was the last time. But 0.45, 0.46, so 0.45. Alright, and then now I'm going to go up behind its tail light again. Trying to keep it at about the same distance that I was away from it the last time. So this is the very far one. We are at where are we at? Come on. There we go. About 12.2, 12 point. So right around 12. Moving one over. We are at about 14, 15, 13. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it where it was last time. So right around 13. Go to this one. We're at 22.5. So maybe a little bit less. So right around 22. And all the way to the far right, we are at 24, 25. Now, I forget what the readings were the last time, but that does sound like they are a little bit dimmer. But, I mean, they look pretty good here at night. So, obviously, this is with the brakes depressed. So, you know what? Let me just go take a look, see what this would look like if the brakes were not depressed. Alright, so this will turn the brakes off. There we go. So there you go. That's what the lights look like normally, and then when the brakes are hit, obviously they get brighter. So there you go. So there's just one last view with it. This is just with the lights on without the brakes being depressed. So I mean, still visible. So not too bad. This is definitely the right amount of darkness that I wanted for this project. So, and like I said, I didn't want to go too dark. I'm not a fan of the plastic pieces that you just like stick on over the top of all the lenses. I know you can buy the kit for the tail lights. I think for the side markers and the corner lights. I know it does the tail lights and the corners. I forget if it does the side markers too. I think it also does the reverse lights, but I put reverse LEDs in the reverse lights. Makes backing up at night super easy because those are super bright. So I'm not going to tint those because I actually like how bright they are. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with the way the smoke came out. So if you're interested in doing the same smoke tint as me, that's about what it'll look like. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.